Breaking news. Yamaha Racing is making a thrilling comeback to the legendary Suzuka 8 Hours in 2025. And this time, they're bringing something truly special. A race livery inspired by the iconic 1999 Yamaha Yzf-R1. For those who don't know, the Yamaha Yzf-R1, also known as the OW02, was a rare homologation superbike built for World Superbike and the Suzuka 8 Hours. With only 500 units ever produced, it became a legend. Now, its legacy lives on through this stunning livery on the latest Yamaha Yzf-R1. Just look at that design: red, white, and black with sharp, aggressive graphics. The iconic Yamaha logo on the fuel tank, YZF graphics on the fairing, and a classic racing number on the windscreen make this bike a true tribute to Yamaha's endurance racing heritage. Equipped with fully adjustable Öhlins suspension, lightweight magnesium wheels, and top-tier Brembo brakes with large discs, this machine is built for absolute performance. Plus, it rolls on Bridgestone racing tires for maximum grip on the legendary Suzuka circuit. Under the fairings lies Yamaha's legendary 998 cubic centimeters cross-planed inline-4 engine. In race trim, it cranks out over 200 horsepower. Advanced electronics like slide control, traction control, and launch control ensure this beast delivers peak performance on the track. Yamaha Racing is back, carrying on a legacy of speed and endurance. Will this stunning livery lead them to victory? We'll find out at the 2025 Suzuka 8 Hours.